Now, let's go ahead and do this little reveal, little open up. The Maruchan ramen.
Maruchan. Wait, how do you say it?
Why'd you say that?
I said it's super Mexican. I'm not even Mexican.
Come here, open it.
Please don't put
Maruchan.
I really don't.
Maruchan ramen.
Now like.
So I decided to go ahead and do a challenge today. I thought to myself, man, what is something that I love? And I'm pretty sure everybody else loved. It probably is your first love, right? The thing that was there when you were poor. The thing that will be there when you're rich. The thing that was there when you were small. The thing that you were there, what? So I decided to buy some ramen. I could easily eat maybe 3 packs of ramen, but I told myself, well, you know, you're not a quitter. You're not somebody that slacks off. You're somebody that goes all in. That's my mantra, right?
Yes.
100%, no matter what, you commit or you don't do it.
He's all or nothing.
All or nothing. And I bought a 24 pack. This 24 pack, and of course, I'm not an idiot. I didn't say to myself, you know what, just buy the same flavor. This is a variety pack. This is 12 and 12. 12 chicken, 12 beef, to keep it real. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna eat all of that. This 24 pack.
I thought you said it was 20, not 24.
Yes, but I'm all or nothing.
The 20.
So we'll be back, we're gonna show the cooking process, and then we're gonna get down to it. And we're gonna do not only the 24 pack, but it's gonna be fast.
No.
It's gonna be fast. So we've already finished cooking the pasta. I ended up with 1 big bowl and then 2 smaller bowls, but trust me, they're not that much smaller. All right, we're gonna go ahead and time this right now. We have to do some math on this. There's not enough flavor. I should have used the other packs.
Use all of them?
That's hot. It's hot. I should have let these cool.
You want to stop?
No. 7:53, right?
Do not.
Oh, this is not worth it either. This one's better. Oh my gosh, the back of my neck is sweating.
Get down.
I like that. I really like that.
We've only had 8 minutes pass. I'm okay. I'm fine.
You okay, my love?
I honestly thought this was gonna be a lot easier than it was. 9 minutes in and I'm fine. It's all about pushing your body to the limit.
Not really.
At this point, it's not even so it's not even the fact that I'm full, because I can eat a lot more. I feel it, like there's space in there. But it's just thinking about that flavor. It's that heavy sodium chicken flavor. Like my body is sweating, like different parts, like that usually don't perspirate.
Do you want to continue with it?
I think I'll quit it. I think some of my hair got in here. Yum. You're supposed to cheer me on.
You got this, but I don't really want you to get this, and I'm kind of worried for you.
I don't know what I was thinking. I honestly don't know what I was thinking. You just gotta not think about it. It doesn't taste like it. It tastes like something like, I don't know. I should have got shrimp. "20 minutes in, and I'm dying. That's not even gonna help. I heard that. You gotta do the shimmy.
You okay, my love?
You know, maybe if I take smaller bites. There was a certain point where I said to myself, you know what? Maybe you should stop. Maybe you should quit. Maybe this is unhealthy. But you know what? Quitting is for quitters. And I don't quit. What time is it?
It is 7:22.
Say it again.
7:23.
7:23. There you have it, everybody. That was a 30-minute challenge. I know I didn't say it earlier that it was 30 minutes because I didn't think it was going to be a 30-minute challenge. But as you remember, I don't quit. I failed. There's a difference. As it turns out, it's a lot harder to eat the same thing over and over and over again in mass quantities. What's left in there is about 1 ramen pack, a little less. We're just gonna say it's 5.5. We'll round it up to 6. We were not able to finish the rest of the 18 packs of ramen, but you know what? Honestly, who even likes ramen? You know?
You.
Takeaways from this, honestly, I literally bit off more than I could chew. I had high hopes. I thought I was gonna hit at least 20. I ended up hitting, you know, rounded up to 6. And if you think about it, 6, if you round that up, that's basically 10. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a subscription. Thank you so much for watching.